So yes, I was saying about us, our group, any one of us who have given net 2-3 times, I would like to call us something, and I'd like to give us the name Adyal aspirants. Yes, we are Adyal aspirants because हम एक या दो बार में हार मानने वाले हैं नहीं. So I got someone joining. So, welcome back to our meeting, Zinat, Urusa, both of y'all. Thank you for joining. As I was saying, I had just completed that one line, but here it is. So, we are the ideal aspirants. What we are is different from a first time attempter of net or of any exam. We are ideal because हम लोग जानते हैं अपने मन में कि we have to keep on coming back and doing this even though it's difficult because the cutoff is 98% for English. It's not easy, it's not simple, and it's not a big shame or a big deal if you don't qualify it. So as I was sitting down and thinking क्या किया जाए, क्या पढ़ा जाए, कहाँ से पढ़ा जाए, this thing came to me, and I thought of a new way of looking at the way you attempt. This is why I wanted everyone here today, because I said we must cover this topic. A new way of preparing, a new way of looking at our attempt for December 2024 is that we are not going to prepare from the point of view 100%, qualifying guarantee 100%. इस बार तो मेरा JRF ही लगने वाला है. No, we are not doing that. What we are going to do is we are going to work on a satisfying attempt, an attempt that makes us 100% satisfied that हाँ भाई मैं qualify हो रही हूँ नहीं हो रही हूँ ये बात अलग है, लेकिन मैंने अपना 100% दिया, चाहे वो PYQ सॉल्व करने में हो, चाहे वो रिविजन में हो, चाहे वो नोट्स बनाने में हो, कुछ भी. I did my 100% best. So what we are going to do is, I have just said these things. Prepare to answer and score well and prepare to give a good exam. ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोग को वहाँ जाकर पूरा विलियम शेक्सपियर बन के ही आना है, नहीं. Nothing like that. So here's the preparation checklist. Not wanting to eat off your brains, but the basic thing is for people like us, we are all working. What post we work at really does not matter, but it's a fact that we are working. So daily efforts, when I say that, we have to put that in because we are working. We may or may not get time, but a daily effort, even if it's half an hour, can be and should be made. That is my first thing that I must myself put into practice here. Consistency. And द पॉइंट इज दैट एक छोटी सी चीज़ भी पढ़ लो, एक छोटा सा एक पेज भी गो थ्रू कर लो, और लीव अलोन गोइंग थ्रू अ पेज. इफ यू आर इवन जस्ट फ्लिपिंग थ्रू द पेजेस ऑफ अ बुक, एक बुक लो अपने सामने, ऐसे पेजेस टर्न टर्न कर करके बैठ जाओ और वो कंसेप्ट देख लो. अच्छा ये थे फ्रेडरिक जेम्सन, हाँ मैं तो भूल गई थी पिछले बार से. येस, even if you do just that much and you've checked up on your work and you know how much again you have to do, तो भाई वो बहुत बड़ी बात हो गई और वो आपने कर लिया, तो पहला पहाड़ वहीं पर उखाड़ दिया. एंड दैट इज वॉट वी मस्ट बी डूइंग. देन आई हैड अ सेट ऑफ टिप्स. अब ये सुनने में बोरिंग भी लग सकते हैं, सुने हुए भी लग सकते हैं, बट हियर दे गो. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज स्टिक, चिपको बनो and stick to the old and familiar resources. It's better to be doing those ones that you already know, that you've already done in your first, second, third attempt. Because मेरा तो तीसरा हो गया और मैं इस बार पास हो नहीं रही हूँ according to the answer keys. I'm not passing, so I'm going to stick to the same resources I did the last 3 times. Then revise and go through old notes. अब notes हम में से कोई बनाता है नहीं बनाता है. इफ यू हैव मेड एनीथिंग, दो सेंटेंस 2 पेज भी लिखे होंगे, गो थ्रू दैट अगेन एंड ऐड न्यू थिंग्स इन टू दी ओल्ड थिंग. डोंट मेक अ होल न्यू बुक. चलो ये हो गया. इस पे अपने ऑडियंस को नहीं सुलाना चाहूँगी, बट योर book strategy, if any doubt on this, we are coming over this again, although we all know it, is the 2 book strategy. 1 book आपके PYQ, MCQ, जितने भी जो पहाड़ है पिछले पुराने पेपर्स का जो पहाड़ रहता है, जो आपके मन में रहता है, आई हैव टू सॉल्व पास्ट 10 years, पास्ट नहीं 20 ज़्यादा हो गया, 15 years इज ओके. whatever it is, one book for that. It can be Arihant, R. Gupta, Pearson, Oswald, whichever you are comfortable with or you've already bought. The other one is your printed book, if you have printed or bought over Amazon any. Now, which is this, you must be wondering. So, one is the PYQ book, and the other one is a book which does not necessarily have question, but it has the syllabus covered in it. You know, everyone has one or the other book. Sometimes it is one book itself that has both of these things, so that is why this point gets confusing. Like you have world literature in your fist, it's massive, but some people have gone ahead, Mahan people have gone ahead and printed it, so they have it. So basically, less books, more focus and more accomplishment. Don't jump from here to there. That's all over here. And I recently got a very nice book in case you don't have anything else, or in case you do want to check it out whenever you're free. So this is the one. This is Upkar's Objective History of English Literature. अब ये इसका क्या है, ये पूरे पॉइंटर्स में है, पूरा मल्टीपल चॉइस में ही है. I had seen a few good things here. So if you already have a book, stick to that. If you do not and you want to see this, then this is very good. इसका contents तो देख ही लेना भाई, लेकिन उससे पहले these are the kind of lists that we have over here in this book. And इसमें टेबल चार्ट वार्ट सब बने हुए हैं पहले के, you know, the kind of charts you have. अच्छा, इसमें poet ने ये लिखा है, this is the genre, this is the era, and they have MCQs with answer keys.